Welcome back to my channel, and if you are here for the first time, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss the new videos. Let's begin. Cut about 2 to 3 or 1 pound of sweet potatoes into cubes. Add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to a pan on medium-high heat. Add the sweet potatoes to the pan and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until browned on each side. Dice a medium-sized yellow onion. Mince 1 tablespoon of garlic cloves. This is about 2 to 3 cloves. Don't forget to stir your sweet potatoes. Once browned, remove from the stove and place on a plate for later. Here I am peeling the ginger with the back of a spoon to easily remove the skin. Mince about 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. That is about 1 inch in length. Okay, rinse and cook 1 cup of red lentils according to the packaging. Then add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil to a pan and add your onion and cook until translucent. Add the 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Three tablespoons of Thai curry paste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and cook for 1 minute until all the flavors merge. Add the cooked lentils. Three cups of vegetable stock. 2 teaspoons of sea salt and let it cook. Add 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and the brown sweet potatoes and bring to a boil over high heat. Make sure to stir the lentils occasionally until they are tender, about 7 to 13 minutes. Lower the heat and simmer uncovered. Simmer until the liquid is reduced and the lentils are creamy and falling apart, about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from the heat and add the lime juice.